First, let's start with squat setup. Before you unrack the bar, your squat starts with a stable setup. Begin with your feet about shoulder width apart and your toes slightly pointed out. Foot position will vary based on hip structure, so adjust slightly wider or narrower to find the stance where you feel most stable. Now let's look at bar placement. Bar placement can vary depending on lifting style and comfort. First, let's look at the high bar squat. In a high bar squat, the bar rests across the upper traps. This bar position allows the torso to stay more upright while maintaining balance over the midfoot. Now let's look at the low bar squat. In a low bar squat, the bar sits slightly lower across the rear delts, creating a stable upper back shelf for the bar. Because of the lower bar position, the torso will typically lean forward slightly more in a low bar squat. This helps keep the bar balanced over the midfoot throughout the lift. Both positions are valid. Choose the bar placement that allows you to stay balanced, controlled, and consistent throughout the squat. Now let's look at grip and bracing. Grip the bar evenly and pull it tight into your back. As you lift the bar out of the rack, take a deep breath into your belly to brace your core. Bracing protects your spine under load. Think about expanding your core 360 degrees, with your ribs staying down and your belly expanding. The goal is stiffness, not sucking in. If you're wearing a belt, create pressure into the belt as you brace. Now looking at descent and depth. As you descend, sit the hips back and down together. Keep your knees tracking over your toes and maintain tension through your feet. Torso angle may vary depending on bar position. The goal is to reach depth safely, with the hip crease at or below the top of the knee, while maintaining bracing and control. Now let's look at ascent. On the way up, drive through your midfoot, push your knees out, and keep your chest and hips rising together. Avoid letting your hips shoot up first. Always lift within your limits and use appropriate supervision for your training environment.